The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold.
Najsmešniji, Slaven Bilić and Ivan Rakitić. And now I nominate Vedran Čorluka, Dejan Lovren and Alvaro Arbeloa. Come on.
Pegamos para Madrid, puede ganar la tercera Champions consecutiva. ¡Chete! ¡Ande! ¡Luka Modric!
Sine moje, šta je s pitanjem?
Pitanje, znamo.
Aj ti, brate, pitaj. Ne, ti odgovor neće, ja bi ga izvrijeđao.
Mission 98 with luck and with hard work. Yes, please.
Pa jedeš to! Slušalice jedem, gladan si!
Pa mislim s promjenom trenera da smo dobili, zapravo ja i ne znam, nisam bio kod prošlog, tako da ajde Perija priča.
Maybe better that we scored in last minutes and most painful for them.
It's even sweeter, isn't
Wait a second. I odjebi ljaksa. Mate and matke. Mate and matke. Yes, sir. Yes. Give me good cards, please, huh? Thank you.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Okay, thank you for your nomination. I'm challenged now Francesco Totti, Italian legend, Stefan Savic, ex-Man City player, and Serbian singer Aca Lukas. Thank you. Any better?
What do you want? Focus! From now on! Wait. Don't laugh anymore! Focus! From now on!
Thank you, can you open the door? Yeah. Thank you.
Collar, Pacquiao Mayweather. Pacquiao Mayweather, who are you going for?
I don't like boxing.
You don't like boxing?
I'm for the love. We need love, not violence.